Hi, I'm Av Odukuri at the Ricoh booth. I wanted to show you our new concepts in collaboration. This is Reactive Stage, which is a completely unique way that boardrooms and huddle rooms can use for content management. When you walk up to the product, you'll actually see all of the folders with your content. You can simply select any content that you want, navigate the various content folders, and Reactive is able to go ahead and natively open every type of file format like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of your media assets like movies, pictures, PDFs. And you can manipulate, you can navigate, you can very quickly share this content with a projector. All you do is throw the content over there, and I can swipe, zoom in, annotate, and switching content on a projected device is as simple as throwing the content over, and it doesn't matter if it's Word or multi-page documents, anything can be done. All of the content on the screen can be organized very efficiently by just clicking one button, regardless of the size and shape. The most important element of Reactive is its superior inking and annotation capabilities. Here I have a native Word document, so I can very quickly pick up a pen and start writing and make decisions of change. And when I save it, unlike most other software packages, Reactive does not create a new PDF file. It's able to inject ink directly into Word documents that are completely editable. This dynamically reduces the content management process because I can work in my own native formats without actually having to change. And we also do advanced content management and revision control. So for example, once a change is committed, in the next meeting, the previous inking changes cannot be deleted. So that way, revisions can be tracked without the content and the hierarchy of those changes not being compromised. In addition to that, Reactive is also able to do some very unique things. For example, annotate on video. And save that out with the screenshot with the file name that contains the timestamp of the videos, which makes everything from editing video all the way through to multi-page documents and Office documents incredibly easy and efficient.